a picture of the Sunhill police station that featured in the bill. Well, in front of us is that building. Oh, it shut down, what, 10 years ago? 5 years ago, 2010, and it's had some works doing to it, and the Wimbledon Media Village is in there now. Right, and this is Deer Park Road, SW19. You see the shape, 2 stories, frontage is the same. There's the entrance on the left where the police vehicles went to, large frontage. The world moves on. This is an industrial estate between Morden and South Women's stations. As we go out to the main road, you'll see where we are. Front of us there used to be a railway bridge, if you remember that. There used to be a train line that used to take passenger traffic, but after the main line, the tube line extension was built from Kennington to Morden, the traffic diminished and they used freight only. Then about 1976 that stopped. Here there used to be Lines Brothers trying toys. The railway lines up here, the factory's gone, of course, and this now is a sort of relief road between South Wimbledon and Colliers Wood. We were on the right hand side there just now, around the back there. We're going to pop up towards Colliers Wood, then double back again. Some sort of ironworks on the right hand side, and now it's a little village in its own right. And on the left there used to be I think it was Merton Board Mills, but now that's Sainsbury's and Marks and Sparks complex. Just on the left here. I remember in the 60s there was a huge fire at Board Mills caught alight. And you know these very large, tightly rolls of paper, they were smouldering for days and days. Okay, if you go up here you turn right for Mitcham, and back to where I live in Carshalton. To Colliers Wood you would have gone straight on here when we go around this corner here, but what they did, they made a relief road. So up that road straight ahead of us is, on the corner, is Colliers Wood station. That black building in front of us has been there ages. Horrible looking place. Looks as though they're doing something to it now. bus garage. My father drove a buses from there for about 20 years, the 77As and the 77Cs, RTs and